Hi, Rich with TF Forming Systems. We are an insulated concrete form manufacturer, and in this short video, we will show you one of the greatest benefits of utilizing our vertical ICF called thermoform in tall wall construction. The poly panels in thermoform are separate from the cross ties, or what we call a plastic stud, which allows for the ability to slide them up in the wall, creating pouring windows. The concrete is placed utilizing a pump truck and flexible hose. Thermoform is the only form system on the market that can be poured this way. Our customers have used this method to pour monolithic concrete walls well over 30 foot tall, and all done in one pour. As you can see, the poly panels on the side of the wall that is getting poured are 4 to 5 foot tall. The first lift of concrete is poured to just below the top of the first panel. After the person pouring moves down the wall, another person follows behind with a concrete vibrator and internally consolidates the concrete. Next, a person slides down the next row of poly panels, and the wall is ready for the next lift of concrete. This work is best done from lift machines with baskets. 2 lifts are optimal. The person pouring the wall is in one lift, and the people consolidating the concrete and preparing the wall for the next 4 to 5 foot height being poured are in another lift. Internal consolidation or vibrating should always be done when pouring any concrete wall. Pouring tall walls with TF Systems thermoform gives the contractor the ability to consolidate without needing a long and cumbersome wick on the vibro. Thermoform is one of the only ICFs that allows for proper concrete placement, as called out by the American Concrete Institute. When pouring tall walls utilizing this method, you can expect to unload about 9 yards of concrete in 15 to 20 minutes, or around 2 minutes per yard. The wall in this video is an 8-inch thick concrete wall with steel reinforcing. The concrete is a regular poured wall mix with 3/4 stone aggregate and a 3,500 psi strength. Once the first lift of concrete is finished, simply raise up and start the next lift. After that is completed, and you are ready for the final lift, the top C-channel can be put into place. This C-channel helps to keep the wall straight, protects the foam panels, and also provides a smooth top for finishing the wall. The C-channel is 10 foot long and is overlapped about 1.5 feet at the joint. After all the C-channel is in place, it is time to pour the last lift of concrete. For the final lift, it is helpful to have the person pouring, the person vibrating, and the person smoothing the top of the wall in one basket. This wall is getting truss attachment plates embedded into the concrete. These plates provide great uplift strength and also save time and money by not needing anchor bolts or a top plate. It is of course important to do proper layout of the plates. After you finish pouring, finishing, and setting truss anchors, you should check the walls for straight one last time. From the end of the wall, look down the string line and adjust any of the turnbuckles that need adjusting. As you can see, pouring tall walls with thermoform is simple, and no other system on the market can match its abilities. Please call TF Forming Systems for help on your next tall wall project, or check us out online at tfsystem.com.